Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Gable House by Folk Architects and Studio Doherty. Gable House stands as a celebration of suburban escapism and bold creativity, offering a tailored response to the needs of an energetic family. Encircling a resplendent garden oasis with imaginative diversity, Gable House is unapologetically centered on the family who reside within. Located in a leafy pocket of inner Melbourne, it's not a precious place but rather an expressive home, crafted with care and alive with social connection. Here, formality gives way to a vibrant interplay of color, light and life, in every sense.